learned philosophy. If you don't remember what it is, look up the expression I gave in last part, and I'm gonna look at my page. Don't be upset with them putting my head down because I'm trying to figure it out. I'm trying to figure out. I'm doing what is necessary to figure the equation out. So a quadratic equation, right? It's it basically means it's a second root part, and it's in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. You know what that means? A is a constant. A constant means it's a letter that describes some number. It doesn't, and they generally use A, B, C in algebra. They use different numbers in different classes. But the algebra part of A, B, C is the structure of the letters like some number because it's just in general form. So I'm gonna write down ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Sometimes the c's on the right hand side tricky, but a plus b equals negative part. The only thing you have to do is bring the other side to make equal to 0, and that's all you have to do, like we discussed last year. And basically from the derivation, I'm not going to tell. I'm going to tell some. You could look it up or whatever. It's called the quadratic equation. But that's how it is. From the a squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are integers, like I discussed about numbers, is there? But you should look up the numbers there if you don't remember. And then numbers like natural numbers, prime numbers, all sorts of stuff. And integers, you could look it up. And integer means a, b, and c. That's why integer is so integral to them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show what the equation for the quadratic equation. Let's deduce from that. So negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. That's equal to x. Means that basically, remember it's a squared plus bx plus c equals 0. You could do this, but it's very hard, and you probably should do this by yourself. Figure out x and then square it, but that's a whole nasty thing. I could do for you if you and another video. That's a structure. Okay. So what I'm going to do is yes, x squared and x. So negative b means what is the second element? Remember x squared log a sub a 10 plus x log a 10 plus log a 10. Remember it's in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Where x squared is the first element, which is considered a, which is really x squared log a 10. And the second element is x log a sub a 10, and the third one is log a 10. Each one is a, and the second one is b, and the second one is c. So it's different, but you probably can see. So basically, and this seems a little bit difficult because yes, it basically has an x in it, and basically it's broken down. It doesn't really and you basically have to take it all, tear it apart, and it seems difficult. But I'm going to do, and I won't actually totally solve it. But negative b, so it's negative x ln 10 plus or minus square root of b squared, b squared, which is log a 10 squared minus 4, and because it's hard to not room, so I'm gonna have to erase it and put it back in somewhere else. Hold on, b plus minus square root of b squared, square root of b, which is x l log a 10 b squared minus 4 times x squared log a 10 a b minus 4 log x log a 10 log a 10 over 2 times a, which is x squared log a 10 log a 10 over 2a, and that's equal to real x, or and that's basically it's a neat way of finding, but this is and that basically finds what it equals here, and then you want to also say you also have to subtract minus and the easy part is equals 55, and this idea with all this variable equals 55, and the rest I want you, if you want to do 2 3 and that's the structure of it. The last thing in the thing is I'm not doing it because it would take a couple hours, an hour or 2 hours to do it, but if you want to do it, yeah, but learn.